I'm back and the bread is finished. Admittedly, I actually put mine in for an extra 10 minutes. I just wasn't quite sure. It was a little bit on the hollow side, but I wasn't quite happy. So I thought I would share with you. Oh, might's not. Oh, yeah, that's it. What he looks like. I did actually turn him round as well. I thought the other bit wasn't getting as much attention. Oh, that seems a little bit better. So, I'm going to give it a little tap. There we go. Does that sound hollow to you? Well, I'm going to let that cool down. Oh God, silly thing. And I'm going to put the next one in. And take the tray out. Right. This time I'm going to try it in the tin. There we are. It does look a little flat. I'm not happy about that. Right, there's my kneading again. I'm going to put it on the lower shelf. Let's turn this off a minute. So, obviously, it doesn't quite fit that way. But, it does fit nicely diagonally. Now, this oven is nicely warmed up. Let's give it a go. I'll pop it back on bake. 30 minutes at 200. And oh, stop. Sorry about that. Right, so we've got the second one in. Let's see how this one goes. I'm really tempted to cut that one now. I just want to see if it has cooked. So, well, shouldn't cut it hot, but I'm impatient and I can't wait. So we're just going to cut. Hot you down, and there we go, so you can see. Just going to cut this little knobble bit off at the end and see what it looks like. Oh God. Oh, it's hot! Right, another reason why you shouldn't cut bread hot. So using a towel. It doesn't actually look too bad. See, it's a bit hard to say because this is on the end. Tastes like bread. Smells like bread. If I'm honest, I can't actually, excuse me, I can't actually judge it on that knob because it's obviously a lot tighter at the knob than it is the rest of the bread. So I am going to let that cool down. Still tastes really nice though. We've got a really nice crunch. Oh, I'll put a hole in it. My silly fingers. But I'm happy. Anyway. I'm going to leave this one to cook. And I'll keep you posted and see how this one comes out. I hope you enjoy it. Right, so the second one has definitely come out a hell of a lot better than the first one. I'm going to be honest, I personally think it was down to me. I'm just going to show you. I personally think I rolled it a bit tight. So it's just slightly undercooked. Still tastes really good. But also the weight gave it away. This one, however, is nice. And we've got a nice sounding hollow sound. It looks better. It's risen better. And I hope in the morning that it is nice inside. So I'm going to keep at this because it's coming out quite well. And there's got to be a way to crack this.